Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D animation with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare some tools. You will need to create 3D animation video. The first one, you will need Pixverse to generate AI video, and then you will need ChatGPT to create a prompt. And here I have already opened ChatGPT. And for example, I'm going to create Cinderella 3D animation, and I have already asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for each scene. Okay, and then I'm going to generate the scene 1. Okay, and then we can go to Pixverse, and don't forget to sign into this website guys, and you will get 60 credits for free or daily credits. And then you can you can paste the prompt here, and then you can choose the duration and the ratio, and then you can choose the style. And I'm going to choose 3D animation since we want to create 3D animation. And then I'm going to click on create, and it needs 20 credits. Okay, and wait, it's still loading. And these are my previous videos. The previous videos I have generated using Pixverse, and that's so cool. Okay, and you can generate scene by scene guys, and this is the result. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon. And after you generate scene by scene, you can use video editor such as CapCut or Filmora to combine all the videos you have generated with AI, and then you can create a story with the videos. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!